Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing or unpacking video, whatever you guys want to call this, packaging. And it is a RYOBI power cutter kit. It is the model number FVC51K. Now this is the US model, I believe. Right here you can see it's got the 2.0 battery. It's a lithium power battery. They have various batteries on this platform, and it has the USB type C power cord to charge, or as I do, just use our phone charger to charge these kind of batteries. All right, let's get to this. All right, so this is the inside packaging. Now you might be able to pause it and check everything out, specs and all. Yeah, whatever works for you guys. Nothing in here, so put that aside. Cutter itself, rubberized handle grip. Check this out closer. That's what does the magic right there. Replaceable blades, I believe. Single locking switch. And plastic, just textured hard plastic handle. I believe it's like a safety grip. And right. Now, these batteries are compatible with all these kits, so they're all interchangeable, which they come in handy, right? Love this light. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this battery since it's charged, and this is the one that it came with. I'll leave it charging, leave it aside. But this is identical battery as that one right there. Give you the measuring tape right there. Right at 3 inches. It's right under an inch, less than an inch. Now, these batteries, there's other options. In this kit that I got, it was a promo that came with this one right here, where you could charge your phone with this. So this is very handy. Promo deal, this came in with this bundle. You buy this and you get this free. The deals are very in different locations, so they will always have different deals. So this one came with the USB-A to USB-C to charge your battery. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and insert the battery that I had charged already. One direction, you really can't enter it in the wrong way. Snaps in there like so. Okay. It is, this cap is not weatherproof, unlike the flashlights. All right, so locks into place. So this will not work, this or this by itself. So you have to squeeze this. Safety features. Now, let's try this out. It's an example, right? Let's just show you guys. So, little Amazon box here. Oh, and I see, look at that. It's pretty cool. So, you just start cutting like that. And it cuts like butter. So once you start cutting, you don't have to squeeze the top button no more. Cut up any boxy. Yes, this is nice. Exactly what I needed. I have so many boxes I need to get rid of, and you could just cut all day. Confetti them up if you really wanted to. Don't stick your fingers in there. Now the plastics. If I had this, I would not struggle to open this, right? So let's pretend I gotta cut through here. Look at that. You could open your packages all day easily with this. Look at that. No more struggling. Look at that. This is perfect. Why didn't I buy this a long time ago? Cut up anything in your path as long as that thing fits in there. Alright, that was fun. I definitely don't regret buying this. I used to be iffy about these USB platform batteries, but I do recommend this. And if you get a lot of packages, daily cut up, any junk you have, gift wrapping, any personal envelopes, this will definitely come in handy for that. So it works with many materials. So it's cardboard, plastic, carpet, rubber, leather. So anything in that range, it should work. You guys should be good to go. I definitely recommend this. I'd get it whenever you guys see it, especially when it's a deal, or if it's on clearance, even better. Feel free to hit that like button, subscribe, and hope you guys enjoy this video. You guys have a good one.